welcome to my channel Learn with Spurti. Subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Essay on Lockdown. Lockdown is a situation in which people are not allowed to enter or leave a building or area freely because of an emergency. It is implanted to save the lives of the people and the system during the emergencies like disaster and epidemic by the government. All the services are stopped except the emergency services. All transport services, air, rail, roadways are not allowed. All educational training, research, coaching institutions, office, etc. remain closed. All places of worship are closed. No religious gathering will be permitted. All social, political, sports, entertainment, academic, cultural, religious functions or gatherings are barred. Whereas the state bodies including the police, home guards, civil defense, fire and emergency services, disaster management, essential service staff including sanitation and water supply staff in municipal bodies remain open. Hospitals and all related public and private medical establishments including manufacturing and distribution units such as dispensaries, chemists, lab, clinics, nursing homes, ambulance, etc. are opened. Shops providing essential goods such as including ration shops dealing with food, groceries, fruits and vegetables, dairy and milk booths, meat and fish, animal fodder will remain open. Print and electronic media, telecommunications, internet services, broadcasting and cable services and IT-enabled services works. Petrol pumps, LPG, petroleum gas, retail and storage outlets, power generation, transmission and distribution units and services remain open. Transport of essential goods, transport for services such as fire, law and order and emergency services works as usual. Not more than 20 persons will be permitted in case of funerals. The effect of lockdown is very deep as it staggers the economy of any country. Lockdown reduces the GDP growth rate of the country and it is not good for anyone. We can go back many years compared to the other countries, but nothing is better than the life. Small laborers, women, daily wage workers are most affected by this lockdown. Their situation is such that if they stay in the house, they die without eating, and if they stay out, they may die because of this epidemic. Lockdown is seen in India for the first time because of COVID-19. The entire country is closed. There are people, but there is silence on the streets. The street is no longer crowded and tea shops are no longer gossiping. If anything we could hear is the sirens of police vehicles ripping through the silence. On the other hand, lockdown has proved to be helpful in overcoming the corona. The environment also got little time to clear itself. Families are spending time together. During the lockdown, it is everyone's responsibility to follow the instructions given by the government so that everything can be normal again.